Good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time, my name is Uju. I'm a new YouTuber based in Nigeria, Owerri to be precise. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how I bring back my old hair to life. Yeah. So I'm just going to do this one. I'm going to start with this one. So I've had it for like 5 years. To this color, it came black. I toned it to this color. Let me just show you guys how I do my hair revamp, hair laundry, hair revamp, whatever you call it. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash the hair. Actually, this one is not so dirty. I'm just going to wash the hair. This is my shampoo. This is what I use for my ordinary hair. So just a good amount of dip the hair inside. I'm going to leave it till the water gets cold so that I can wash out the dirt. So the next thing I'm going to do is deep condition it. This is actually the most important part of the revamping. Don't just be stingy with sorry. Just don't be stingy with the conditioner. Just make sure you put enough conditioner. After which, I'm going to leave it inside this ziplock for at least 8 hours. Sometimes I let it sit till the next day, depending on my schedules. If you don't have ziplock, you can make use of this.